Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what are we gonna do today. Here you have to get a clay and then press these things together. You have to get these pasted into the form of a nest and keep the eggs in between. Paste the leaves and all, and this is gonna look pretty cool. Now here you have to get the sheets, you have to paste the crumbs like this in this manner. Further get a clay and then with the help of scissors you need to cut it and make it into this form. Just get the shells, make it into this manner, and this is gonna look pretty. Isn't it? Just paste the dots all around and make the plants as well, and then the clouds along the sides. Further here, get a cup, you need to cut it from the bottom and then make it into this pattern. Further here you need to cut it into the form of a lamp like this. Now you have to get the cuts made into this form and then get the flowers made in this manner. Now here you just have to make the eyes look like this, and this is make a smiley and a blush as well. This is pretty cool. Now here get a clay, you have to just curl them up, just paste it along the lines like this and make the cylindrical rolls in this manner, paste it on the top in this way along the corners. Now here you just have to tuck them up and make it look like this. Now here you have to press the clay further in this manner, and here you just have to curl the clay up in this portion and get them beautifully secured in this way. This is gonna look pretty, isn't it? Now just paste it in this manner and just keep your pencils or anything inside. Here get a sheet, what are we up to? Get the tape and then you need to press them together in this manner, and then along a white sheet you need to make it in this form, make the layers like this in this manner, make something like this and then just color them up further in this manner, making the patterns like this. Further here make the lines, along the lines you have to make it in this form, and pretty cool and amazing. Now here you just have to curl them up and make it look like this. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we up to. Just keep on getting the sheets, make the cactus look like this and make a pot as well. This is cool, right? You can decorate the scenery further in this manner to make it look like this. Now get a clay, with the help of your fingers you need to spread the clay further and then make it look like this. Just keep on getting the clay pasted in this form, get them beautifully made in this pattern, and over a sheet you need to make it look like this. Now you need to make the textures and imprints using the brushes like this. Now here press the clay and then make these lovely pretty white flowers, and again you have to get the same textures along the lines. Further here get a tissue paper. What are we going to do? Just tie them up in this manner and further secure it in this position. Now just unwrap them in a portion like this and make it into the form of a beautiful flower in this form. Just keep on getting it made into this form with the help of your fingers. Just keep on getting the unwrapped in this pattern, and then get a sheet. What are we gonna do out of it? Just curl them up into the form of a stick and get them secured over it. This is cool, right? Thank you for watching.